Ms. Dalmia, what is the current market opportunities for aspiring women entrepreneurs?
I've always believed to do a business of anything is something you have to believe in the product. And if you believe in it, there's always a market for it.
Few do's and don'ts for women entrepreneurs, startups.
For me, the most important thing I think most women need to follow is if you want to be treated equally, you've got to start behaving like an equal. I mean, sometimes I find it very surprising and shocking that women want to be treated equally to men, but on the other hand, they're still worried about what time they will get home from work, whether their parents will allow them to come out so late, and they still expect a different treatment because they are a woman. So that glass ceiling is something a woman has to get over to be able to be an equal to any other person in the world.
What are the don'ts?
This is the don't. Don't expect a different behavior for yourself. You have to be an equal. Secondly, as a business, as I said, if you believe in it, you have to have a certain level of risk taker in you. You've got to have this sense of thrill in you, because you may have the best business plan in the world and for some reason it may not work. And you may have something which you have done nothing, no research, nothing, and it may just work. So that little element of risk taking has to be there in you for you to be an entrepreneur.
All right, great. As a last question here, what would you like to tell to women entrepreneurs? Takeaways for them?
As a chef, I think food is a great business to be in for especially a woman entrepreneur, because nurturing is something which comes very naturally to a woman. Most of the women, if you ask any great chef, he will tell you always that the recipe came from his mother or from his grandmother, which was always taken for granted, that the woman will always be the provider or the one who provides meals at the table. And when you take that as a business opportunity, you have something which is an inborn talent in you, which can turn into a great entrepreneurship opportunity for you.